I've been on Poppo for the past 2 years, and this is the current amount I have on Poppo live stream app, which is $94 and some cents that you guys are seeing here. And I've been withdrawing successfully to my local bank account. And you guys know that any apps that give me that chance to withdraw directly to my local bank account, I am so grateful for this. In today's video, I'm going to be answering the most requested video coming from my viewers, okay? First, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Viral with Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's just dive right into this video. So the most requested question that people have always been asking me is how to recharge on Poppo, okay? And Poppo has put out a disclaimer out there that if you go to buy coins from those coin seller, and then at the end of the day you lose your money, or you lose your coins, or you don't even get the coins, they are not to be held responsible for this, okay? So this simply means if you want to be safe when it comes to buying of coins on Poppo, you need to buy directly from Poppo, and of which the least coins you can buy from Poppo is $10, and the highest coins you can buy from Poppo is what, $200. A lot of people find that it is so high or the price is too expensive. This is why I'm going to be introducing a website for you called Cocodp. Now, what is Cocodp into? Cocodp are those websites that are there for you to be able to get coins as cheap as possible. Either you're doing Bigo Live, either you're doing Poppo, either any of this live stream that you can actually buy coins. Cocodp is actually ready for you. Is Cocodp safe? Cocodp is safe and reliable, trustworthy with large discounts, and their official Facebook will also be linked in the description box where they usually do their raffle draws and giveaway. So you can also follow their Facebook so that whenever they are doing their raffle draws and their giveaway, you can also be entitled for 1 or 2 or 3 or even more giveaways getting down to your table. Now I am going to go straight into my screen record, and I'm going to show you the interface of Cocodp website, how it looks like, how you can purchase your coins, how you can check out the countries, how you can register, and everything that you need to know. So now let's go into my screen record. For my screen record that I'll be putting here or here, you can see this is how the interface of Cocodp website look like. Check in the description box so that you can actually use my link so that you can get the cheapest rate of coins, and I'll be leaving a lot of links in the description box that can actually help you navigate on the Cocodp website. So once you get to the website, this is exactly how it's going to be. This is my account. You can see my name up there. So the first thing you need to do is to check if your country is among them here. But if your country is not among them here, don't worry. Cocodp is also working their way out to bring out more other countries down to this so that a lot of countries can actually benefit. But you can see a lot of countries here as well. So after checking and you've ensured that your country is there, you're going to go ahead to pick your country, okay? So after picking your country, the next thing you're going to do is to click on this place. If you haven't signed in to Cocodp, you're just going to log in with just your Google account, okay? So once you're done logging in with your Google account, you're going to come back to the interface of Cocodp. And now once you are back to the interface of Cocodp, this is how Cocodp look like. You can see the first one, I say what, direct top up. You can see even games and other activities, but today we are just going to be main focused on what, poppolive and what, Bigo Live, okay? So you can see different vouchers that they are also doing. You can see live, and in this place you're seeing live and what, live. You can see that there's Bigo Live, there's Emo, there's Star Maker, there is Poppo Live, and the rest of that. Now if you want to recharge on your Poppo Live, the first thing you need to do is to click on Poppo Live, okay? So if you want to register with Bigo Live as well, you can just go ahead and click on Bigo Live. So once you click on your Poppo Live, you are going to wait for it to load, and once it's loaded, the interface is going to pop up like this where you're going to be reading. Poppo Live is a live stream platform where this one is just for them to just tell you about the Poppo Live stuff like that. And now you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to be seeing their amount of coins and how much you want to purchase. You can see 3, 4, 5,000 plus so amount of coins. Any coins you're getting here, they're going to be giving you an extra coins for this, okay? And the good part is that you can select your payment method, either mobile money, either you want to use what, the coin corny. You are going to see it here. So right now the country I am using is Kenya, okay, because Nigeria is not yet on this app. That's why I said if your app is not, if your country is not here, just hold on. Cocodp is trying to upgrade more countries so that a lot of people can benefit from this. So once it's Kenya like this, you're going to be seeing what every amount of coins that you actually want to buy. And then the next thing you're going to be doing is to click on the coin. So let's assume I want to buy these coins. You're going to be seeing the amount in Kenyan currency. If I click on the next one that I want to buy, you're going to be seeing it in Kenya currency. You can see how the amount here. You can compare this amount in Kenyan currency, for example, to the one in Poppo Life app. You will know that it is ridiculously expensive buying directly from there. And then after that, the next thing you're going to be doing is to what? Is to click on which method you are going to buy. Then you're going to click on this buy here. So if you click on buy, it is going to take you where you're going to be filling your UID, and your UID is simply your ID number. Okay, so you're just going to go ahead and fill in your ID number. Okay, so if you fill in your ID number here, let's just assume this is my ID number. After filling in, and they wrote it down here, they said, attention, make sure to fill in the correct ID number, so that at the end of the day, if you don't get your coins, don't come and start blaming them. Okay, I can assure you that most people that are selling coins on Poppo, this is where they are buying their coins from, and then they are coming to Poppo and come and sell their coins for you, and then you're definitely going to buy from them. You understand what I'm trying to say? So now if you put in like that, you're going to be clicking on buy now. So if you click on buy now, it is just going to redirect you on how you can buy and do any other purchase that you actually want to purchase when it comes to Poppo. Okay, you can see here, select payment method. Do you want to use mobile money? Do you want to use any other thing? So if you click on mobile money, it is going to direct you to the next stage that you are going to do. Like buying coins from this Cocodp, it is very, very easy. So if you're looking for ways to recharge, if you're looking for a way to become a coin seller on Poppo app as well, you know how we do it. I don't want to say it too much. You can even navigate it with your VPN, and at the end of the day, you're getting what you're getting. You understand? I don't want to tell you how I'm navigating my own, because if I start now, I go say, Sonia, I don't talk. Now you are going to do what? Confirm. And once you confirm, at the end of the day, you are going to be getting your coins on your Poppo profile. So now let's go to my Poppo profile. Okay, so once you buy, because a lot of people might say, if I buy the coins, how am I going to know that I have gotten the coins on my Poppo profile? Where you are going to be getting the coins on your Poppo profile is this other place where you are seeing the coins. Okay, and now what can you do with these coins? You can use these coins to gamble, you can use these coins to play games, you can use this coin to exchange and also upgrade your level. And you guys know that the more you keep upgrading your level, the more money you'll be making. So if you want to start making more money on Poppo, make sure that this thing is very, very important for you. If you have not gotten Cocodp website, do well to check in the description. Like I said, if you have any confusion, let me know. I am personally here to be able to walk you through step by step on how you can actually be successful using this Cocodp website. Okay, so this place you're seeing these coins is where the coins are going to be accumulated, and this place you're seeing points is where your money, any money you're going to be exchanging, making, playing games and every other stuff is going to also be accumulated. So for those of you that will say, are you sure this guy really have this $94? Let me also show you guys, okay, so that you guys will know that. In fact, if you know me on this street, you know me that I talk about Poppo a lot, and I will make sure I go to any level to make sure I bring the best. When I mean the best for you when it comes to Poppo, because open a good app. Okay. So you can see here, and today they are giving 1,595 naira per dollar. Guys, start making money on Poppo. Get your coins at the cheaper rate and thank me later. With that being said, with no further ado, if you've not subscribed and this is the first time you're coming across my video, please do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's interact more in the comment section. Bye. I love you. Mwah.